today, and today I'm going to talk to you something about installation versus consultation. Now, as you know, I am Deb. You're in the office with Deb. I am your home consultant, and today we are going to talk about home projects. Yes, I said home projects. Now, let's say you got your house and you want to have a closet organizer put in one closet in one room and another room put in a smaller closet in a smaller room. Okay, now what usually typically happens is you call around, you get prices, what does it cost to install it, and you talk to your husband, hey, can we do it ourselves, blah, 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 can you do it, da, 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 da. Now, not all of us are handy. I'm not a handy Andy. I can do what I can do. I've learned from other people. Now, for example, we have one closet. We put in the closet organizer ourselves. And we have been in our home for a while. Now, because after the weight of the clothes, there was a point where that closet rod, boof, came down because of the weight of the clothes. So that's been a mess. That happened to me about, I'd say, 2 times for sure. I'm not sure about 3. However, now, remember, we did it ourselves. So we put the closet back together twice, and it's fine so far, but I don't want to say anything because I don't want it to hear me. Shh. So anyway, the next closet, smaller closet, another closet organizer system. This one, we had a professional do. Now, it's like, okay, we did it ourselves and we had a professional. However, it was one night, late at night, and we were sleeping, and we heard a boom, and I mean a boom. The type of boom where you know somebody's in your house. We both got up and just looked at each other, didn't say a word. We walked into the hallway. That bedroom door, the other bedroom door was shut, which is unusual. That never happens. We both looked at each other and whispered, there's somebody in there. And then we go to open the door wouldn't open. That was even scarier. I went and grabbed a knife. My husband took all his weight. Boom, that door opened. I just about had a heart attack when I saw everything. That whole closet was on the floor. Now that's the one that the guy installed. For one thing, my heart was going 240 because we thought there was a burglar in the house. So that was scary enough. Now, luckily, this was like a year, maybe not even a year later. I don't remember. I called that guy. He was still in business. He came back. He reinforced it. He took care of it, but I still had this huge mess to clean up. And I mean, this was even worse than my closet with the one rod falling off. But I'll never forget that night. Now, what I'm getting at with this whole story is things can happen either way. Things can go wrong. What I really, really wish out of this whole story is I wish I had somebody kind of like me. I would have loved to have somebody hold my hand kind of and guide me and consult me why I'm putting that home organizer system up so I know how to do it myself every step of the way. That is what I truly would have loved. But no, they only give you the option of installation because it's probably more money. But I really wished that I could have had somebody there one-on-one to teach me. That is what is most valuable to me. Now, when a home organizer comes into your house, they usually do it for you. But what I've been doing, because of different people being in different states and everything, is we have our groups where, like now we got the Declutter Your Bedroom. We're doing it together. I'm consulting them on the best way, giving them the best ideas and how to do it, and they're doing it themselves. This is where consulting can really come in handy. I really wished that I would have had somebody there to explain to me every step of the way why I'm doing this, why I want to use this nail, why this rod should be at this length or whatever. Because that is what I would have loved to learn. That's my biggest pet peeve. Because like I said, either way things can go wrong. But if I would have had somebody there consulting me, holding my hand, I would have been so much more self-confident. I would have got it done. I would have understood it. I would have gained more knowledge. And that's what you get from a home consultant. When you can't afford to have somebody come in and install everything for you and do it for you. You gain that knowledge. You gain that confidence. You get all the secret tips. You get all that. That's what I mean by installation versus consultation. And I really wish I would have had a consultation on how to do it and hold my hand, because I like to be handy. I don't want to be left in a situation where I have to run and call people all the time. I'd like to do what I can, as much as I can, as far as repair work or putting in stuff myself. So, let me know what your thoughts are on installation versus consultation, because, like I said, things can go wrong either way. Now, I've got the bedroom program going on now, and I'm consulting in that, one-on-one, holding their hands, guiding them through that. Now, come October 3rd, I will be starting the kitchen decluttering group. I got a fly in here. Kitchen decluttering group, and we'll be doing the same thing. And it's going to be a blast. We are having so much fun right now in the bedroom group. And things are a mess because everything gets to be messier before it gets better. But it's all good. Everything's working. We're having a lot of fun. There. So let me know if you're interested in the kitchen decluttering group and your thoughts on installation versus consultation. Because either way, it can go wrong. Trust me. Thank you for your time. Glad to have you here, friends.